This is the moment of truth to see if the girls like it. If they like it, they're gonna scream, yay, when they see the light, right? Right, girls?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. This is the pumpkin with all the holes in the light, and we turn this on. That's the LED light that we're gonna turn on.
Daddy, the rainbow one, please.
Okay, we're gonna turn the LED light on, and we're going to, maybe we shouldn't cover it.
Daddy, we want
Want to cover it?
to.
Okay, we'll cover it. But I think it's gonna make more light. We'll cover it later, okay? No, let's do that now. We turn on the light. Everybody, can we count to 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Look at that. Happy Halloween.
Daddy, I will close the light.
Oh, wow.
Daddy, I will have that not to the
This
out the lid.
is good. You see all the lights on top.